evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is March 24, 2022 Thursday. Today is also the weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty options. That's already taken place in the afternoon. Now after 5 days of movement, we can say with some confidence, and we said that yesterday also. So let's say after 4 days of movement, yesterday the idea was that the Nifty is entering into a trading range. Today the Nifty has continued to move in a range. So we can say with some confidence that the index is now in a trading range. This is normal. The market had a big rally. Now we are having a trading range. From this range we will either break on the upside or break on the downside. Only time will tell. Now once we are inside a trading range, trading becomes difficult. It becomes difficult because inside a range we actually buy the dips and sell the rallies. Now that's easier said than done. It sounds very nice, buy the dips and sell the rallies. When is a dip a dip? At what point a dip becomes a downtrend? When is a rally? And suppose the rally falls short of our levels, then what happens? How do we exit? I mean, there are so many questions. So what I do is I look at the larger trend. The larger trend continues to be up. So once we are inside a trading range, I would like to buy the dips. And now here I can make a judgment on what a dip is. A morning open is not a dip. If the market falls during the day, I would treat that as a dip. And then I would exit on a rally. I would not go short on a rally. So I am still having a one-sided view because the overall trend is up. Now it's quite possible that the market may fall below support levels and then begin a downtrend. When that happens, we'll go and change our view. But that hasn't happened so far. What the Nifty did was it expanded the trading range on the downside. That's all. It still moved sideways. So the trading range is now 17,100 as support and 17,350 as resistance, a 250 point range. As I told you, inside this range, I would like to buy the dips and exit on the rallies, and then we'll see how the markets behave. I will also show you a chart just now after this video, after this visual video, where I will explain how the trading range is developing. Thank you for watching this. Have a great day. This is the chart for the daily Nifty. It's a candle chart and you all understand what it is. Now see, this is the trading range that we had identified yesterday. Today the prices actually opened on the border of the range, or rather below the range, and then rallied and closed at the border of this range. So what really happens is that we are still in this larger range. What simply it means is that the range has expanded. That's all. This is the range that I am looking at today. This is 17,100 and this is 17,350. Now the market has been inside this range for 5 days, and for all we know it may continue. Now sometimes the range expands a little on the downside, on the upside, but the overall structure of the range doesn't change. So keep in mind that even if there is a small dip on the downside or a rally on the upside, but if the main trading is being done inside the range, then we are where we are. Now I have already told you that I would like to buy a dip, an intraday dip, and sell an intraday rally. I would not go short because this up move preceded this trading range. So I am assuming that this trading range is being supported by an uptrend. This is how I am looking at the chart. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet again tomorrow. Have a lot of fun. Jai Hind.